Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Software Automation Experience. In today's video, I am going to explain you about how to add this step-by-step debugger in Jmeter. So this is very important element we need to add into our Jmeter tool to work with it. So it will not come as a default option when you install the Jmeter. So for that you need to add it. Okay. So how to add that? Let me go and explain you. Let me create a new test suite and show you if this option is available or not. Okay, I have launched Jmeter from here. Now to add that, see, that option should be available here. As you have seen in the screenshot, there is a cockroach symbol in green color appearing here. So that is an option called step-by-step debugger. So yeah, that option is not seen here. So what is the use of these options, guys? So if this option is available, we can load any of the config properties which is defined in our config.properties file in the test suite source folder. We can load those properties into our test plan, into our test suite, and execute the test suite. Otherwise, it is not possible to load the config properties from that file without this option. Okay, so hence, so we write those config properties inside that file to make our test suite more dynamic and more flexible to work in any environment, so that we can provide any of the IP address and port wherever we execute it from. So that way we are avoiding the duplication and what do you call, we can avoid the hard coding of the Jmeter property values by adding those values inside a config.properties. How to take those values from config.properties to test suite? This is the option, guys. Step-by-step debugger. On clicking of it, it will load those properties from config.properties to the test suite. Okay, so that's how our test suite will be executed dynamically. So let me show you how to add that. So here, as you can see, there is no symbol of that present. So for that, just click on options and then click on plugins manager. Okay, so here you can see installed plugins available. So now we need a plugin to be added. Just go to available plugins, click on available plugins, and then search for step-by-step debugger. Okay, so as you can see, the first option itself came Jmeter step-by-step debugger. On just checking this checkbox and clicking on apply changes and restart Jmeter, this option will get added. Let me just click on it and see. So post this, Jmeter will restart, the tool will restart, and we can see the option of step-by-step debugger in our test suite. So let me just open it and see. Yes, as you guys can see, we have this option now, step-by-step debugger, using which we can load the config.properties. I'll just click on it and show you. So what are the things it will load? So if you provide any config.properties, it will load all of its Jmeter properties here and variables, everything. Okay, so this way we can add this step-by-step debugger to our Jmeter test suite. So that's all about this video, guys. So if you have any doubts, please write a comment, and if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel Software Automation Experience, and stay tuned for next such videos on Jmeter.